What's going on, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy KairoNoEgypt, and I'm here with the first ever sneaker unboxing for this channel. Let's see what the postman done dropped us off today. So if you follow me on IG, same as my channel name, KairoNoEgypt, you know, I've been hinting at that I bought these shoes. It should be coming in the mail. I kind of bought a half size up, so I don't know if I'm gonna give these away or I'm gonna keep it if it fits, or if it's just gonna sit in the closet, whatever I decide to do, I'll let y'all know. However, these shoes, man, when you see the box, when you see everything, you can be like, oh, okay, I know what it is. But let's get into the unboxing. Bam, boom, blow. Hey, NBA Youngboy, I don't know who you done inspired to throw my box like this. I don't know if they threw it at my door. I don't know if they threw it on a truck like this. Y'all don't do this no more, man. It's a big no-no, big no-no, man. I know y'all probably done seen the meme how those different delivery people, the FedEx, UPS, deliver boxes, man. This is definitely UPS, man. They don't beat the box up. Look at that. That is crazy. But let's get into the unboxing. I guess I'll start off at the beat up side, man. That don't make no sense. Get into here. Alright now, alright. There it is. Y'all can probably tell. Let me put the blade down. Y'all can probably tell what it is by the box right there. Y'all see it, the carrot, the Jumpman, Air Jordan on the side. Yeah, man, I got a size 9.5. These came out on April 8th. Retail for $250. Let's go ahead and unbox these boys, man. Ooh, look at that paper. Look at that paper. Look at that paper. Now, a lot of y'all gonna say this junk trash. But hey, I have my own opinion. I'll tell y'all in a second, but woo, look at them boy right there. Them boy super hairy. Hey, man. Them boy hairy. Hey, I might have to keep these. I don't know, man. I'm kind of, a lot of y'all gonna say it's trash, but I don't know, man. I don't know. At first when I seen them, I know why a lot of people didn't really want this shoe, honestly. One, people don't really rock with the Jordan 7, man. People don't really rock with the Jordan 7. Also, this is not the original Hare 7s that dropped. This is the 2.0s, obviously, the Hare 7 2.0s. But one, it's a 7. Not a lot of people like that. Two, it's kind of funky, man. Like, not a lot of people wouldn't know how to wear this. I could definitely freak this if I wanted to, but what? And then the third, it was $250. You know what I'm saying? $250. For that, you can go on StockX and maybe take $250 off a shoe you wanted, like a Bread 4 or something like that, or a Bread 11 or something that you really wanted, or a Concord. You could think about it as taking $250 off of that. $250 for this was pretty steep, man. However, I didn't pay $250. I seen these drop and I was like, man, I'm gonna wait and see if these go on sale, and I'll probably try to cop and make a review out of it or something, man, because these are all right. I got these for, I believe, $150. You know, the sneaker plugs and all that on Twitter, they shout all the plugs. They I have them bell notifications. They let me know when stuff go on sale and stuff drop, man. And I seen these for $150. I said, let me snag these boys, man. Let me snag them, the loony guys, the loony mans. You know what I'm saying? I mean, on the shoe, I don't want to do a thorough review, but if you want a sneaker review, let me know on this. And an on-feet look, you know, you got the these colors are reminiscent of the original Hare 7s that dropped on the tongue. You can see those colors are on the sole. There, the green, red, the translucent sole. It looks like this is kind of glow-in-the-dark material. I'm not sure. Not too sure about that one. I gotta look into that. But then you got the all-over hair going around the whole shoe. And I believe this style code, these numbers on the side is the style code of the original pair that dropped. However, my first impression, man, it's all right. I give it probably a 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10, somewhere around there, man. Just something cool to have, just, you know, keeping the collection or something, man. You know, this pink hits. I think the other shoe has a let's see what the other shoe, I think the other shoe has the pink laces on them. Yep, the other shoe has the pink laces. You can switch out the laces. You could probably put some green laces. Freak it, man. You can freak this shoe a lot. You know, the materials is what makes it $250, I believe, in the box and the presentation of the box, with the carrot and the tissue paper inside, you know, with the carrot on the box, and the tissue paper inside that's reminiscent of the original Hares. It is worth $250, man. It takes time to make a shoe like this with all the hair, the presentation, the good materials. They have tumbled leather on this white part right here, kind of like a suede or nubuck material on this pink, and then they got the it's like the Huarache liner, I think it's the neoprene liner on there. Inside you got the original Hare 7 colorway. I don't know if y'all can see that perfectly or not, but in my opinion, man, these shoes aren't too bad. They aren't too bad. They're a 9.5 though. I usually wear a 9, so I don't know. Hopefully these joints fit, man, because they kind of straight. If y'all like an on feet, man, let me know, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about these shoes. In my opinion, probably a 6 or 7 out of 10, man. It's just good to have in a collection. It might be an outlet special. You might not rock with the Jordan 7s. However, these right here are okay, in my opinion, man. It'll be a good, like, conversation starter. Something to bring out every once in a while. And who knows, man, years from now, you're probably like, dang, I should have caught these hair. I don't know, because thoughts and opinions change. Different silhouettes get different type of hype throughout the years. But the Air Jordan 7 Hare 2.0 retail $250. You may be able to get it on sale on different websites right now, maybe $100 off. So I would jump on it if you don't have a pair of 7s or would like something to just spice up the collection just a little bit, man. Just have a shoe in your collection that kind of offsets it and makes it stand out, man. But this your boy KairoNoEgypt. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And for the love of clothes and for the love of shoes, you gotta make it do what it do. Peace.